Hello and welcome to the StorMagic how-to video series. Here at StorMagic we're producing some training videos for our customers and partners to show how to do certain things in the setup and configuration and general operations of our software products. Those software products being SvSAN, our virtual SAN solution, SvKMS, our key management server for encryption workflows, and ArcVault, our video management surveillance solution. My name is Steve Bettison. I'm a technical pre-sales engineer at StorMagic, and today we're going to be continuing with our series with SvSAN, and we're going to be looking at how to set up. I'm going to show you how to set up key management servers in SvSAN. So we're going to be pointing our virtual storage appliances to a key management server, and we are going to be pointing it to one of our own, SvKMS. We're going to be using as my key management server to do our encryption workflows so that we can encrypt our targets, our VMFS data stores within our cluster to make them more secure. So we're going to add a KMS to our VSAs in the cluster, and then once we've done that, we'll be in a position then to be able to do encryption and actually encrypt those data stores and VMFS data stores that we create within VMware within vCenter. So let's jump out of the slides and have a look at our environment. So what we have here is our demo nest lab. You've seen this before. We've got a Windows 2019 server on here, sat on some storage being managed by these VSAs. We've got VSA01 here, VSA02 already configured. And what we're going to do is we're going to add and set up a key management server on each of these VSAs. Now, before we do that, we're going to just jump in, and I'm just going to briefly show you my SvKMS cluster. So we are using SvKMS, StorMagic SvKMS, key management server. And I'm logged in here to the web portal here. Just a quick overview of what we've got here. So we've got I've created a 3-node cluster here. We're going to actually be pointing our VSA to this node in the cluster, the first one on 10.10.128.91. So SB-SvKMS01. You can see we're in a healthy state. And I've created a user in here called SB-DemoNest-Lab. And I've got an authorized authentication certificate here, which I've already downloaded. So this is a client certificate for authentication between SvKMS and our virtual storage appliances, our SvSAN virtual storage appliances. So this is creating that trust relationship between SvKMS and SvSAN, our virtual storage appliances. So I've already downloaded that. We've created this user, we've downloaded the certificate. We're now ready to set up our key management servers within the VSAs. So I've got the VSAs already open up there, but just to recap, on the StorMagic plugin, we can go manage VSAs, select our VSAs, hit the management URL, and this takes us to our GUI. So we've got VSA1, VSA02. Now, if we jump into the system tab here, actually before we do that, just to show you, we have 3 targets already here. They're all enabled. You can see none of them encrypted because we haven't got our virtual storage appliances set up for pointing to a key management server. So we come into the system tab, we go to key management servers here, and we are going to create. So I'm going to put the key manage KMS name in there, which was SB-SvKMS-01. I'm going to make it active, and I'm going to put the IP address in here, 10.10.128.91, and I'm going to leave everything else. That port number is fine. And then what we're going to do is choose that certificate. So I'm going to click on that Come out of here, and here, go to media, SvKMS, and we're going to select this one here, just the one I downloaded. So that's SB Demo Nest, that was that user created. Open, and then I'm going to click apply, and there we are. It's as simple as that. We've created our key management server there. I've got a warning here. What's that telling us? Okay, no, that's fine. System, go back to key management servers. There we go, that's created that. So what we need to do now, I've actually renamed, I've put the wrong name in there, so let's just edit that. That's a typo on my part. MS-01, that should be. So let's click apply. And there we go. So we do the same on the second VSA. So I come down here, into System tab, go to Key Management Servers, click Create, SvKMS -1, make it active, point that to IP address 91, port number's fine. We'll choose that file again, grab that certificate, click open, click apply, and there we have both our virtual storage appliances now are pointing to our SvKMS, our key management server, pointing to that cluster that we had a look at earlier on. Now, if we want to create some targets, whether we're doing that inside the GUI, or if we wanted to encrypt one of these targets, we could simply go into this one here. Let's go into M0DS2. And if we look down here, we've got the option to encrypt that target. Likewise, if we want to create a new target, you can click on create, and it's actually going to default that tick box there for encryption. And then we would follow the steps here to create that target, and it will encrypt that target. I'm not actually going to run through that on this video. I'm going to do a follow-up video. This video was all about how to set up key management servers in SvSAN. There'll be a separate video on how to encrypt targets and how you do that in different ways. So I hope that's been useful. So just in summary, we've gone into both virtual storage appliances. We've gone into key management servers, and we've added that key management server to both of our VSAs. Within the key management server, we grabbed hold of that certificate, downloaded that certificate to enable us to establish that trust relationship between SvKMS and SvSAN. So I hope that's been useful. Look forward to seeing you again on the other videos. As I say, there's a follow-on video to this one, which will go through how to encrypt targets in more detail. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.